Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how you can adjust or remove the timing of any slides in Canva. Canva is a fantastic site and is very simple and beginner-friendly. You can create any graphic visuals in Canva. So, if you want to decrease or increase the time of each slide, it's very simple. The timing is really important, as it allows you to make the slide duration longer or shorter. You just have to drag it down and click wherever you want. And if you want to animate the slide as well, here are the options. There are many animations you can choose from according to your preference. And if you want to increase the length of this slide's timing, just click on it and set it as you want. There's also a shortcut to apply timing to all the pages. Just enable this option, and all pages will be set to 10 seconds, as you can see. If you want to remove the timing, simply drag it to 0 and the time will be removed. You can see that now there is no time set. In this way, you can remove the timing. If you want to add time again, just drag it, and that's it. This way, you can remove timing or increase the video duration or make the video shorter. If you have any doubts or questions about Canva, just comment below. I will answer all your questions. If you want a video on a specific Canva topic, I can create that as well. After all the setup, just go to Share and download the file in the format you want. Download as per your preference. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.